Now, moving on, Shashi Tharoor has made his displeasure with the new visa rules amply clear on Twitter. But those who are impacted most by these new rules say that at this point, there's simply no clarity on how these rules work.
I have a US passport and I came for 2 months to India, but I have a 10-year multiple entry visa. I'm trying to go to Kathmandu. What I'm hearing is that if I go to Kathmandu, they won't even let me back in.
Anthony, one of the many at the Foreigners Registration Office in Delhi, seeking clarity on the new visa rules. Anthony, an American citizen who has a 10-year tourist visa, wants to be in Nepal for New Year's Eve. But the new visa rules do not permit that. As per the new rules, foreigners with long-term tourist visas cannot return to India for 2 months after they have left the country. Also, they cannot use tourist visas for business or business visas for employment purposes. Earlier, those on long-term visas could easily fly to a neighbouring country for a brief stay and return. But after it was revealed that terror suspect David Headley misused his visa, the government made visa norms more strict. Tourists say there is no clarity on the new rules.
But nobody seems to know really what's going on, and there's many people in my situation.
So I think that's the main problem. Information. The websites are not updated.
There is another side to the story. Mr. Sharma, a property agent at the South Delhi's Defence Colony, a preferred residential area of foreigners, tells us that a high number of tourists who live here have come on tourist visas, but they also work.
नहीं फॉरेनर टूरिस्ट भी यहाँ आते हैं ना, काम भी करते हैं। नहीं मोस्टली इनका इंटरनेट पे घर से ही होते करते हैं सारा काम, और कुछ लोग हैं जो ऑफिस भी जाते हैं, मतलब मोस्टली ये अपने घर से ही ऑपरेट करते हैं।
Has India been lenient in giving visas, and has it hence compromised on its security? Experts feel the new visa regulations will bring down the number of tourists coming to India. The Indian government says that problem it can deal with. Reporting from Delhi with Pawan Achal for NDTV.
Tuba.com